One thing I promise you about this Oreos ice cream is that you will not stop at one, because it is that good. It is creamy, it is chunky, it is amazing. You want to try this one. So hey lovelies, welcome back to Shubi's Kitchen. If you're new here, please like, share, subscribe to my to my channel and leave a comment down below. So first thing first, you want to pour in your whipping cream into a bowl and then whisk till it is whipped. Did you get that? So you're just going to whisk this up with your mixer, with your hand mixer or your machine, just like you see me do in this video, right? Because I don't want to achieve like a stiff peak whipped cream. I still wanted to have that whipping cream consistency, but not at its initial state. Now we're going to add our condensed milk, and this is the only sweetener we'll be using. You want to add enough condensed milk to your whipping or semi-whipped cream. You want to have enough condensed milk to this, because we're not adding sugar or no. Condensed milk, enough of it is perfect, trust me. So you just want to lift and turn like I'm doing here. And then whisk it for a few seconds so that it is properly incorporated. And now for the fun part, you want to turn your Oreos biscuits into crumbles. So you want to smash, or use your hands to break it into tiny bits, like I'm doing here. Go ahead and open up your Oreos biscuits. And if you've not subscribed to this channel yet, please click the subscribe button. And if you're enjoying this video thus far, please click the like button. Now scoop your ice cream mix into your crushed Oreos. It looks so simple and it is really so easy to recreate, but the flavor, the sweetness is just so balanced and amazing. So you want to make sure that even while you scoop your ice cream batter or mixture into your crumbled Oreos, you want it to go underneath. So you see, as I'm mixing the crumbled Oreos, so you mix the crumbled Oreos properly, making sure that the ice cream goes underneath, and then you add more to your crumbled or crushed Oreos. And I inserted my popsicle stick so that it will be very easy for me to handle when it all comes together. You also want to check out my blueberry ice cream just right up this video, because it's not your regular blueberry ice cream. Trust me, you will love this one. And my lovelies, you've just made a 3-ingredient Oreos ice cream that is amazing. Try this out for your kids, yourself, for your dates with your ladies. And you're going to thank me later.